Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In this video we are going to see the key differences between abstract classes and interfaces in Java that lie in their design purpose, uses and feature. First, abstract classes are meant for their shared behavior. They allow us to define method that subclass can inherit or override. Suitable when we want to provide a common base class with some default behavior that can be shared among related classes. On the other hand, interfaces are meant for defining a contract that unrelated classes can implement. Interfaces ensures that implementing classes follow certain behavior without specifying how they should be implemented. Abstract classes can have both abstract methods, methods without body, or concrete methods, methods with a body. This allows us to define some methods with behavior and others that must be implemented by subclasses. On the other hand, interfaces before Java 8 could only have abstract methods, but from Java 8 onwards they can also have default and static methods, but they cannot have constructor or instance fields. A class can extend only one abstract class due to Java's single inheritance model, but a class can implement multiple interfaces, which provide a way to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. Abstract class can have constructor to initialize fields, and they are called when an instance of a subclass is created, but an interface cannot have a constructor because they are not part of the class hierarchy but define behavior that class implement. Abstract class can have instance variables that can be initialized and used, but interfaces can have only public, static and final fields. Instance variables are not allowed. When we talk about access modifiers, methods and variables in abstract classes can have any access modifier, but all methods are implicitly public and must be declared as such. Fields are implicitly public, static and final when we talk about interfaces. A class extends an abstract class inheriting its methods and fields, but a class implements an interface providing specific implementation for all its abstract methods. Abstract classes are best used when classes are closely related and shared behavior. For example, an abstract class animal might have shared method like eat, but each subclass dog and cat implement its own version of sound. On the other hand, interfaces are best suited when we want to ensure that class follow a certain contract without needing to be related. For example, payment can be implemented by credit card, PayPal or any other payment method, ensuring they all have the make payment method. When we talk about performance, abstract classes are slightly better compared to the interfaces because they offer some default implementation. On the other hand, interfaces can be slower when multiple interfaces are implemented due to need for the method resolution during runtime. Understanding the key differences between abstract classes and interfaces is critical in mastering OOP in Java. In our next video, we will apply this knowledge with a real-world example. Until next time, happy coding.